Hi guys, so I'm very happy that you tried my link. Listen, I'm offering you here a 7-day free trial for this amazing platform that I just love. And I think it's benefit for any kind of business and any niche. First of all, there's a Pixel Perfect Builder that is very powerful. I just wanted to take you through a little bit all of the templates that we have. So we have a lot of templates here for any kind of business. So here you can see construction, movie theater, travel, pet lover, and the list goes on and on. Like, we have so many templates that you can use. They're already pre-made, they're all done for you, and they're just beautiful. There are people here that working are amazing here. So I just wanted to say that all of the templates are amazing, and show you other tools that we have. So the other tools that we have, so I just wanted to take you through the Builderall platforms, because if you go to the 7-day free trial, you're going to land up in your account in Builderall, and you have to go to a place where all of the tools are. And I want to go through all of the tools for you, because I want to show you that there are all amazing tools and you can try them for 7 days. So here we have the Pixel Perfect Builder, so it's building your website. The Canva Funnel Builder, so you're making a landing page and all of that. It's just amazing. We have the Mailing Boss autoresponder, so any kind of business needs email autoresponder. We have that. That's amazing. E-commerce, so if you're having a store, if you want a website and you want a store on the side, anything, just like Shopify. We have video tags. Video tags, that means if you're making a video and you want people to click on the link in your video, or click on the video and going somewhere, and the email and your website and all of that, we have that, because you can share that on Facebook. Because like Facebook doesn't like us when we're putting a comment and we are putting a link in the comment. Facebook doesn't like when you're sending people out of Facebook. So with the video tag, the tag is right in the video. Just amazing, right? We have a mockup video, mockup studio. We have presentation studio if you're making a presentation on any kind of business. Autoresponder. So an autoresponder is a multi-social network. Then we have the chatbot Facebook. That's amazing. Also very popular. All of these tools there, you have to pay separately, but in Builderall they're all in one place. We have the social proof. We have a webinar platform. So if you want to host a webinar, so any kind of business can host a webinar to attract their clients. We have Sitebot. So Sitebot is that little bubble you see on the side here, and you want to talk to your clients that are on your website right away. We have also the app creator. So any kind of business, you want to create an app. You want to create an app for yourself. You want to sell it each month. We have that. We have a magazine editor. So you want to create a magazine each month, each year, each week. We have that with links in it and everything. It's so beautiful. The video funnel creator. We have photo studios. We have an animated video, also floating video on your website, browser notification, SEO report for your website, click map. You want to see where people are clicking on your website, chat review, ShareLocker, a e-learning platform. Wow, you want to create a course online where people have to pay to go in. A script generator. So script generator helps you with your email sequence and everything. Roulette, who doesn't like to spin the wheel? WhatsApp messaging, video wrapper is just nice. Also Instagram autoresponder, SMS messaging, CMR, marketplace. You're creating a course, you're creating a product, and you want people to sell it for you, like just like in ClickBank. We have that on Builderall. It's just freaking amazing. So you just can try it for 7 days. There's no credit card asked. After your 7 days, you're gonna have to choose one of our plans. But when you click on my link here and you try your 7-day free trial, you'll be bring to another video from you talking. I'll be talking to you. I'll be asking you to do a little bit of things. Go and like a certain page. I'm going to send you to a link where you can start a course online where you can build your website step by step. It's 5 module and with 4 lessons each. It's going to be really step by step. I'm showing you each tool that you can use. After that, there's the onboard, well, not after, but before that, there's the onboarding video where I send you on your platform to tell you a bit where to go, to show you the platform, how it works, and all of that. So all of this is free for 7 days. So try it out, guys. I'm telling you, it's just amazing platform for any business or any kind of niche that you have. It's just the top of the line. So I'll see you in the next video. Please try the link.